The cabinet under my kitchen sink is a mess, so I'm organizing it with the 2-pack Meefbird under sink organizer. I have a lot of stuff to fit into these organizers, so you'll be able to see how I make it all work. But first, a good cleaning of my cabinet, and we're gonna get to work. I've assembled one of them here for you on my kitchen table, and I have to say, I love how they look. They're surprisingly sturdy and nice. There's hooks for hanging linens, as well as a pull-out tray, which I think will come in handy for accessing the items in the back. What I love most and why I ultimately decided to move forward with these is that they're tiered and I can store my most frequently used items on the top level, thus making it easier to grab and go. Now, do keep in mind when you're ordering that there are several like these on the market, but they all differ in sizes. So be sure to measure under your sink, especially where the plumbing is concerned, as you want to make sure they fit well when they come in. Overall, I'm happy with the quality and size of these. I was able to fit the equivalents of 3 large acrylic bins, and it's made my cabinet look neater and tidier, and I highly recommend them.